In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete database in Notion. Before we jump in, it helps to understand that in Notion you can have a full database that lives as its own page. And you can also have an inline database that appears as a block inside another page. The way you delete them depends on where the database lives, but the goal is the same. Remove the database cleanly and confidently. If your database appears in the left-hand sidebar as a standalone page, start there. Locate the database's name in the sidebar of your workspace. You can right-click the database title to open its context menu, or hover over it and click the three-dot options icon that appears. From that menu, choose Delete. This is a quick, reliable way to remove a database without needing to open it first. If you prefer to confirm from the database page itself, open that database page by clicking it in the sidebar. Once you are on the database page, look to the top right corner and click the three-dot menu. In the drop-down that opens, select Delete. This approach is helpful when you want to double-check you are deleting the correct database, since you can see its contents before you confirm. Now let's cover inline databases, which are placed within a regular Notion page. Navigate to the page that contains the inline database you want to remove. Hover your mouse over the top left corner or the left margin of the database until you see the drag handle appear. It looks like a six-dot icon. Click that six-dot icon to select the entire database block. When the block is selected, you'll see a menu appear. From that menu, select Delete. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can simply press the Delete or Backspace key after selecting the block to remove it. A couple of tips to keep you safe while deleting. Notion typically moves deleted items to trash first, which gives you a chance to recover things if you change your mind. Still, double-check that you are deleting the correct database, especially if it contains important information used by your team. If the item you are removing is a linked view of a database, deleting it removes only that view, not the original database. If it's the original inline database, deleting the block removes the entire database and its data. That's it. Whether the database lives in your sidebar, as its own page or inline on another page, you now know exactly how to delete it when you no longer need it. Thanks for watching.